Hello guys, welcome back to Mom's Medicine. Today I'm making an infused hair tonic using rice, rosemary, cinnamon, and cloves. Rice is rich in proteins, nutrients, and minerals that can make your locks longer, stronger, and shinier than ever. Rosemary may help stimulate hair growth and prevent hair loss due to its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Cinnamon enhances scalp circulation, delivers more oxygen and nutrients to hair follicles, which may support healthy hair growth. Cloves may help prevent hair loss and premature graying and improve hair strength and thickness by protecting against oxidative stress. Apply to your hair after shampooing and do not rinse.